Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the essential components for golf cart enthusiasts. The golf cart ignition switch with keys for Club Car DS 1996 Up. If you're looking to upgrade or replace your current ignition switch, this could be the perfect fit for you. This ignition switch is specifically designed for Club Car DS models from 1996 and up, including Turf Carryall I and II, XRT, and precedent models. It's crafted to enhance the security of your golf cart with a unique key that prevents standard club car keys from working. If you're a club car owner looking for reliability and enhanced security, this ignition switch stands out. It's designed not just for functionality but also durability, making it a wise investment for your golf cart. While there are other ignition switches on the market, this one from 9.99 World Mall distinguishes itself with its specific fit for Club Car DS models and the added security feature of a unique key. Installing this ignition switch is straightforward, thanks to its plug-in connector type. Ensure to follow the provided instructions for a smooth upgrade or replacement process. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable and secure ignition switch for your Club Car DS golf cart, the golf cart ignition switch with keys from 9.99 World Mall is an excellent choice. It combines durability, functionality, and enhanced security, making it one of the best options available. That wraps up our review of the best golf cart ignition switch and key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching.